Y'all, this airport hack yesterday saved me from missing my flight. I promise I was missing it if I didn't do this. I landed in Washington, D.C. airport, duals, and I was coming international, so I had to go through immigration. The line was huge, and I was at the back of the plane, so my entire plane was like in front of me as well. I knew that line was going to take me an hour or longer, and I only had an hour before my connection. Then I remembered this app, Mobile Passport Control. It's so easy to do. It takes you like 5 minutes to fill it out. There's a special line for mobile passport control, and if you go through it, you literally just scan a QR code after you've filled out your mobile passport control information, and then you get right through. You can skip the entire line at immigration. It is insane how fast you can get through with this app. So pro tip, if you are coming back and you have a really short connection like me and you're worried about security and you're worried about immigration, just go ahead and fill that out when you land. And I travel all the time, so follow me for some more travel tips.